Hey there, guys. How's it going? What we're going to be talking about today is Clorox Bleach. Yeah, now, I can't imagine anybody never using this before, but I mean, this bleach is probably the oldest brand that I can think of bleach. I mean, I remember this. I think my mom could probably relate to knowing this bleach when she was a kid. I mean, Clorox has been around forever. It kills everything. First of all, Clorox bleach, well, bleach in general, but Clorox bleach is basically used for whitening clothes. And when you do your laundry, you got to remember the bleach in your white clothes to get it really, really white. Okay, but you got to remember not to use too much, because the last thing you want is your clothes to look really white, but your clothes smelling like bleach. You do not want that. Bleach is a very, very strong smelling, chemical, and it really, really does not smell good. It's powerful and it does what it needs to do, but you do not want anything of yours smelling like bleach. So just use a little bit, okay? Also, what it also is used for, and what I use it for, is to kill germs, okay? You need bleach to destroy any kind of germs that are around your house, bacteria and anything that may be carrying a virus, or anything that's like growing in your garbage can, or you have a bad smell in the bottom of the can, or just anywhere where it's unsanitary and maybe something has died over there or something. I don't know. You need to clean it out with some bleach. Bleach kills just about everything. So it is really a powerful agent to make things sanitary. If you are cleaning your bathroom, you have to make sure you have something with bleach in it. Especially Clorox bleach, preferably. This is the one that I grew up with, and I'm sure my mom grew up with too, because she turned me on to it. This is the only bleach that I would like to use. I have used other bleaches, and to tell you the truth, I used to think bleach was bleach and it was just a different brand name that we were getting for bleach, but it was all the same. But it really isn't. I mean, there are some bleaches that aren't as good, like they maybe water it down or something. I don't know. Clorox bleach always has done the job. It really, really is. And it's concentrated, and that's why you only need a little bit, when you're going to do your laundry. It really does the job. It gets the clothes very, very white. Yeah. I don't think you can find a bleach that is going to get your clothes whiter than Clorox. Clorox is really, really a good product to clean your clothes with. I use it every time I use my white clothes. Clean my white clothes. I swear by it. If you use too much and your clothes end up smelling like bleach, you can always get that bleach smell out by just washing it again, but without bleach this time. It will come out, but try not to do that, because you'll have no choice but to wash it again. But yeah, I also, in my garage and in the bathroom and just around the house where I feel that it needs to be very sanitary, I use bleach. Mix a little bleach in with the soap that I use to scrub down the garage and the floors in the bathroom, to keep it very sanitary, and keep any germs that might be floating around or hanging out on any items. This will do it. It kills everything. It will. I mean, if there's a stomach flu or anything that's hanging around inside around the toilet bowl or whatever, bleach will take care of it. Just got to scrub it down with it. Yeah. Clorox bleach. Yeah, it kills just about every germ in the world. You know, it's a very powerful agent. Yeah. So I've been using it for a long time, and it's very strong. It really does the job very well. I will continue to use it, and I recommend it to just about anybody. Yeah. I hope that I get to wash out my sister's tub this weekend, because she has some like gerbils and stuff in there that they pooped in the bathtub over there, and I hope my sister lets me go over there with my bleach and clean it out good, because who knows what's in there now. Yeah. So I hope my sister lets me do that. Yeah, bleach will do it. Okay, it will kill whatever is floating around in there. But yeah, okay guys, that's what we're talking about today, and I hope you use this information. This is Clorox Bleach. Kills 99.9 of germs. Yeah. Okay, hope you guys use this. I will talk to you later. Okay, thank you. Bye.